Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. In this video, we'll be continuing our discussion on the urban local governments. Some of the provisions of the 74th Constitutional Amendment Act are the reservation of seats. That is, the reservation should be provided to the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes in every municipality area according to the proportion of their population in that area. And not less than 1/3 of the total number of seats have to be reserved for women, including those for number of seats reserved for SCs and STs. The provision does not provide any explicit reservation for the members of the other backward classes. Rather, it gives a discretion to the state government to reserve any seats or chairpersons for the members of the community belonging to the other backward castes. The duration of the municipalities is 5 years. That is, the municipality can be dissolved even before the completion of the 5 years if the governance is not carried out according to the provisions stated out in the State Legislature Act. And also, if the municipality is dissolved before the expiry of 5 years, then the new elections to the new municipality have to be conducted within 6 months, and the term of the newly constituted municipality will be for the remainder term of the 5 years and not the complete new term of 5 years from the date they assume the office. The Act also provides for the disqualification of members, that is, they can be disqualified if they are violating any provisions of the members for the purpose of election to the state legislature concerned, or any such law made by the state legislature at that point of time. The 74th Constitutional Amendment Act provides for the establishment of a state election commission for the superintendence, direction and control of the preparation of electoral rolls and conduct of all elections to the municipalities. It also provides for the creation of a post called State Election Commissioner, who is appointed by the governor and who can be removed only in the process of the removal process of a judge of a high court. That is, he can be removed only by the president even though he is appointed by the governor. Now let us solve this question. Consider the following statements regarding the 74th Constitutional Amendment Act of 1992. State Election Commission is a constitutional body. Reservation of seats to OBCs is a mandatory provision. The correct answer is A, 1 only. As we have seen that there is a direct provision in the Constitution under the Part 9A of the Constitution. Therefore, this is a constitutional body, and the reservation of seats to OBC is a discretion to the state governments and not a mandatory provision. Therefore, the correct answer is A, 1 only. Thank you.